Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, May 17th. Looking at window traders market profile of the ES and the NQ. So we have spent the entire overnight in ES basically below the base of the price probe and below yesterday's low. NQ, I didn't use J's low because I didn't think it was that much distance between that and M. But whether we use it or not, again, for the most part, we've traded below it all overnight. In fact, overnight got into two other sets of singles. However, look where we are right now. Now, again, it's 70 minutes to go prior to the opening. A lot can happen. But for now, they're trading above that. If we get the overnight highs, pretty much a price vacuum. Yes, we have 8 wide pocs. So inside of value, if we get back inside of value yesterday, that would be your first move up to the 8 wide poc and half back and 8 wide poc and NQ, and then possibly to test the afternoon rally highs right below the all-time highs. So if bears want to take any kind of control today, two things. One, I think they got to defend the overnight high. Now, it's not a big range again, so again, you can take it both out. So that's not the end of the world. But they certainly want to take out yesterday's low. Yesterday's low will at least put the market back into balance on the daily, a 3-day balance. So those are two big-time goals for bears, to try to defend the overnight high and get yesterday's low. Obviously, for the bulls, it's to defend yesterday's low. If they don't defend it, yesterday's overnight low isn't a big deal to me, and they're probably just going to be happy getting more consolidation and have a 3-day balance. So that's basically your two big lines in the sand this morning. We have a 20 wide overnight POC in ES, 18 in NQ. So a lot of business done below those probes. Righty, remember, had an inside day yesterday. So they went from up on the daily to up to balance. If they take out yesterday's low, they'd officially be in balance, and you'd be coming out of an inside day. You go with it and monitor for continuation or lack of. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. They also had a wide overnight point of control. Volume so far this morning, very, very light. Yesterday's volume barely made it out of the top 10 lightest. So again, as prices go higher, volume's getting choked off. I will most likely be here to do a recap, and I'm not sure. I might be leaving early today. It's still up in the air. If I leave early, there won't be a recap. We have a poor high at the overnight right now, a poor low at the overnight low. Again, look, there's 70 minutes to go, so this can change, but this is a very good risk-reward short against the price probe and the overnight high. Now, if we take out yesterday's low, I would still probably look to front-run the overnight low, but it's not going to be as tempting for the simple fact of you'd be back in balance on the daily and would be doing it with most likely lower value. And then chart-wise, just going to show you the daily because nothing can change till the daily does. We're one-time framing up 6 days in a row. So goal number one for the bears is take out yesterday's low and come into a 3-day balance. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.